In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Format Painter in Excel. The Format Painter is the quickest way to copy the look of one cell and apply it to another without touching the actual data. Think fonts, sizes, colors, borders, fills, alignment, and number formats like currency or date. You'll find the Format Painter on the Home tab, usually in the Clipboard group, represented by a little paintbrush. Start by choosing your source. Click the cell that already looks the way you want. This tells Excel, copy this formatting. Take a second to confirm everything is correct in that cell. Font style, background color, borders, alignment, and number format. Because whatever is on this source cell is exactly what will be copied. If you need to copy multiple aspects at once, you can also select a group of cells as your source. Excel will remember the entire selection's style. Next, click the Format Painter button. As soon as you do, your cursor changes to a paintbrush, which means you're in formatting transfer mode. A single click on the button arms it for one use, perfect when you just need to replicate the style to a single spot. If you plan to apply the same formatting to several places, double-click the Format Painter to keep it active until you turn it off. Now apply the formatting. Click the cell where you want those formats to appear. Instantly, the font, color, borders, and other styles from your source are applied. If you want to cover more than one cell at once, click and drag across the range you want to format. When you're done with a single-use click, the painter turns itself off. If you double-click to keep it active, you can keep clicking additional cells or dragging across ranges to repeat the formatting as many times as you need. Press ESC or click the Format Painter button again to exit. A few helpful notes as you work. Format Painter copies formatting only, never values or formulas, so your data stays safe. It also won't change column widths. If you paint something you didn't intend, use Undo to revert instantly. And if your target cells already have formatting, the painter will replace those styles with the source look. That's all there is to it. Select the well-formatted cell, click Format Painter, and apply it where you need. With this simple workflow, you can standardize the appearance of your sheet in seconds and keep everything clean, consistent, and professional.